So a Google Business Profile is a free tool from Google to list your business to grow. Now, many small businesses have a Google Business Profile, still have challenges managing their profile and keeping up with it to drive sales and growth. AI tools like ChatGPT and now Gemini are available to turbocharge your productivity for everything, even with the Google Business Profile. So in this video, we'll cover how to use Gemini to help with 5 different challenges to grow your Google Business Profile and get more customers. I'm Josh from the University of La Verne's Small Business Development Center, and SBDCs are local centers funded by the SBA that help small businesses with free one-on-one consulting and free training guides just like this one. So let's get started. All right, so the first way we can grow your business presence online is through keywords. Now, Google still relies on keywords to rank websites, but that's not all that goes into SEO. You want to use keywords intelligently to rank your website, or in this case, your Google Business Profile. But how can we discover new keywords? An easy way to discover keywords is to use Gemini, the Google AI chatbot that's connected to several Google products and updated regularly. We can use Gemini specifically to grow your Google Business Profile. So let's take a look at an example. I want you to act as a local SEO specialist. I have a Google Business Profile, and I'm looking for help with growing. I have some business details I want you to look at, like a business description and some services, and suggest 20 to 30 relevant keywords that customers are searching for to increase visibility. We'll put in our business description, and we'll also throw in our service description from our Google Business Profile. Now the results are a list of 20 to 30 keywords based on your business and service descriptions. And these words should be integrated into your business profile. Now what you can do is you can add these keywords into posts and communications from the profile to increase your visibility. Now if you completely trust AI, then you can just throw these keywords in there. But I don't. So a better way of doing this is to follow what Ronald Reagan said, trust but verify. Now we can do this with the use of the Google Keyword Planner. And if you've already set up the planner, you can add each of these keywords or do them in bulk, and we can see what Google estimates for volume. We can then weed out the junk keywords and keep the ones we're actually searching for. You can also use your profile analytics if you see some other keywords that people are looking for in your Google Business Profile to increase visibility. So your business description is another critical aspect of your business profile. This is usually the first impression that a prospective customer would see online about your business. Many small businesses don't have a persuasive or fairly effective business description that can grow their businesses online. So how can we improve the business description? Well, Gemini can help with that. We can put in this prompt. I want you to act as my local SEO specialist. I have a Google Business Profile and put in the business type, and I'm trying to optimize my profile description and other parts of my profile. I want you to analyze it and give me suggestions to improve. And then we'll type in our business description. Now when we put in the information, Gemini will give us suggestions that we can use to reformulate our description. And if you want to take it one step further, and I suggest you do, you can compare it with other business descriptions from some of the top competitors that rank higher than you, and as Gemini to evaluate them and suggest them to rewrite for you. So as a business owner, your customers will inevitably have questions about your business, and they'll want to reach out to you. If you want your business to stand out, you'll already have a lot of these answers to these questions that you have anticipated. Now, how can you possibly know what questions that people would be asking? Enter Gemini. You can easily add a prompt to help you formulate some questions and add them to your frequently asked questions. So here's a prompt that can help with that. I want you to suggest and put in the number of questions of frequently asked questions prospective customers might ask. Format the responses in a question and answer format. Now the number of questions here is important because Gemini will do as many as you'd want, and you want to specify that. Now the crucial thing to do is to format the response to make it easier for those questions to have suggested answers. Now don't necessarily use these straight out of the box. You may want to tweak and sound more like a human and have an idea to work with. Your Google Business Profile is a great way to build visibility online and bring in new customers. And reviews are a key to building that trust and setting your business apart from the competition and help your business show up on the top of Google. Now, if your business gets a lot of reviews that you can't keep up with, you can definitely use Gemini to craft a response. You can use this prompt that I've developed to reply. You can say, please ignore all previous instructions. Act as a public relations expert who writes detailed and thoughtful copy to the public. Write in a friendly style and create a sort of reply to an online review. Include a positive statement expressing gratitude, and then paste in the text of the review. Please ignore all previous instructions. Act as a public relations expert who writes detailed and thoughtful copy to the public. Write in a concerned style and create a short reply to this online review. Include an apology that expresses that you will do better next time, and then post your text. Now I have 2 different prompts for each type of review that you're likely to receive. You'll need to respond to all reviews, positive or negative. This signals to users that 1, you actually care about reviews, and 2, eventually you're going to get a negative review and you need to learn how to deal with it by doing better if it was a shortcoming on your part. Google profile posts are an important way to demonstrate authority and get customers to click and work with your business. But what exactly do you post? Well, business profiles have 3 types of posts: updates, offers, and events. And you can definitely create your own strategy and schedule, but Gemini can help you with some suggestions. You can say, I want to suggest weekly posts on my Google Business Profile for, and pick whatever time frame, that will increase visibility on Google and get potential customers to click the call of action to work with me. Incorporate the keywords you suggested earlier and suggest a mix of posts, offers, and events with different CTAs like book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, and call now. Gemini will give you a bunch of suggestions and you can mix and match with all of these on your content calendar. Here are some tips for using Gemini for your updates. Again, don't use these straight out of the box. While Gemini does remember your chat and can give you some good stuff, you'll want to consult with your own analytics and check with your own responses with your customers. We only need to do weekly posts, since posts stay visible for 7 days. This is the best time frame. Events and offers last for the duration of the event or offer, so be mindful of those time frames. And posts are supposed to be enticing for customers to click. So if you do have a post that has copy or enticing visuals, use that. And make sure whatever you send to the customer has a call to action so you can push them along down the funnel and create more sales. The Google Business Profile is an easy way to gain visibility on Google for your business. Your first marketing tool should be the profile and branch out from there. With the help of AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, you have no excuse for keeping up with posts, reviews, and Q&As to grow your business and win more customers. Just remember to check your analytics for your profile and find out what works and what doesn't. AI isn't perfect. It's simply a tool for you to use to increase your productivity and to make things in the process easier. If you found this guide helpful, leave us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when new content that impacts small business owners like you gets uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.